Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the global variable in Python. In our previous video we have seen how we can use local variable and what exactly is a local variable. In this video we are going to get understanding about the global variable. So global variable can be used throughout the program and its scope is in the entire program. We can use the global variable inside as well as the outside function. So in our previous video, when we saw an example of local variable, so local variable can only be used within a function and its scope is within that function, but global variable will work inside as well as outside a function. So when we declare a variable outside function, that variable is nothing but a global variable by default. So let's take an example saying that we have x equal to 150, y equal to 900, and again we are going to declare a new function which we have in our previous video, similar to sum of two number. In this I'm going to take, let's say, nothing, okay, no argument, and within this function we are going to say take the result by adding x plus y and return this result. Okay, so within this function we have not given any argument. Okay, now if I print this sum of two numbers or two number, okay, and if I run this, you will see that we are getting 150. In this example we declared a function named as sum of two number and assign no variable to it within our function. We are taking the variables which is declared outside the function, which is x and y. Over here we are using these two variables and then saving the result into this result variable, or saving the summation into this result variable, and then we are returning the result. So these variable x and y will be referred to as a global variable which have a scope inside as well as outside the function. So if I print x and print y, we'll get the output. Oh, sorry, we have to use small y. So we are getting the output. Even though within this function, if I print x and print y, you will see that first we are getting the value of x, then the value of y, then the summation of x and y, which is getting returned over here, and then again we have this print x and y, the value is 150 and 190. So to again reiterate, what is global variable? Global variables can be used throughout the program and its scope is in the entire program. It can be used within function, outside the function, anywhere. Happy learning and see you in the next video.